Yes.
So atom will contain protons, electrons, neutrons, and each unit of charge will contain 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. So protons will have plus charge and electrons will have the minus charge.
Minus charge.
And if you take the atom in the spherical shape, the center part of the atom is called as the nucleus, which contain protons and the neutrons. And the outer layer is called as the circular path around the nucleus is called as an orbit, in which electrons will revolve. Okay. And one more outer layer will be there, that is called as an valency shell at the outermost orbit. And in each orbit, we have the KLMN. The first shell is called as an K shell, the next one is called L, the next one is called M, and it will goes on like that. Okay, K will take maximum 2 electrons. L will take maximum 8 electrons, M will take 8 or 18 electrons, and N will take 32 electrons according to the formula 2n square. So any doubts up to this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So next we'll start about the finding the atomic number. Sorry, not the finding atomic number, finding of number of protons, electron, neutron using the atomic number and the mass number. Okay. Suppose if you take any element, finding proton, electron, neutron using atomic number and mass number. If you take any element as a X and A, Z, X is the any element in periodic table. A is the mass number of that element. Z is the atomic number. Okay. So always the protons are equal to atomic number of protons always equal to the atomic number. Number of electrons always equal to atomic number minus charge on element. And number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number. Tracy, please mute yourself. So these are the three formulas to calculate the protons, electrons, and the neutrons. So how to calculate the number of protons in any element?
Sir, but
Atomic number.
Yeah. Raghav?
Sir, the number of electrons is equal to the number of protons, right?
That is only in the case of neutral atom.
Okay, sir.
I'll explain that one, okay?
Okay, sir.
In the case of neutral atom, the charge on the element will be 0, right?
Yes, sir.
If the charge of element will be 0 means number of electrons is equal to number of protons only, right? Atomic number means?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Next, any other doubts, anyone? Any doubts?
No, sir, no, sir.
In neutral atom, number of proton is equal to number of
Number of electrons.
electrons, and mass number is always equal to
Sum of
Proton plus neutrons, I guess. Yes, sir.
mass number is always equal to proton plus neutron only. Why we are not taking electron number in the mass number case?
because electron doesn't have a mass number. Doesn't have any mass.
Electron doesn't have any mass.
Sir, it does have 0.0000 something, but it's negligible.
Very good. If you take the mass of electron, it is very, very less compared to the mass of proton. So if you want one proton mass, that is equal to 1837 times of electron. Which means if you combine 1837 electrons together, that will be the equal to the mass of one proton. Understanding? Means in comparison to mass of proton and the neutron, the mass of electron is very, very less. So only we'll take the mass number is equal to number of proton plus number of neutrons. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now we'll take some examples. Sodium 1133. Find out how many protons are there, how many electrons are there, and how many neutrons are there.
Once can you show up?
Sorry.
So Na means
Move up,
sodium.
sir.
First copy these three formulas and then you can do the sum that one. Okay, everyone copy these things.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, the number of proton is equal to 11, neutron is equal to 12, but I'm not getting the electron, sir. What's the charge and element?
Okay. Finished. Everyone copying this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Listen here. Number of protons is what is it? Atomic number. Atomic number is what? Subscript.
11.
Script.
11.
Subscript part. That means 11.
Yes, sir.
Number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number, right? So 23
Yes.
minus 11 is equal to 12.
12.
13.
12.
Yes.
Now, when I said neutral atom means Na is there is no charge on this, right? If nothing is given on the
Yes,
Na,
sir.
that is a neutral atom. If nothing is given now.
Sir, so there
Yes,
should
sir.
be 11 electrons.
7 electrons.
If charge is given like this, then that is a charged species. That is called as an ion. Understand difference between the neutral and the ion? In the
Yes,
superscript,
sir.
what nothing is given, right side superscript, what nothing is given, that is a neutral. If any charge is given as a plus or minus, that is a ion. Here, what is it? 11 minus 0, because no charge on the sodium. So it is a total overall 11 only. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts for anyone?
No, sir.
No,
In the same way, if I say sodium 11, Na plus 1, and 11 and 23.
Sir,
This-
then electron will be 10.
What is an electron and what is a neutron?
12, sir, electron.
and neutrons will be 11.
Sir, neutrons will be 11, electron will be 10, and proton will be 11.
What is the proton count?
Sir, 11,
11. Electron
10.
11 minus 1, because
This
charge
is
is,
10.
you can take it as 11 minus of plus 1 equal to 11 minus 1 equal to 10. What about the neutron case?
Sir, neutron case is 12.
Yes, sir.
Not the
23.
electron count, right? It is just a mass number minus atomic number. So it is a 12. Understand now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What is changing in the case of
only
neutral species and charged species? Only electron number will change in between neutral and a charged species. Clear? Only electron number change between neutral and the charged species. Yeah.
Sir, can you explain,
Which one?
sir, that only electron number charge in between?
See, in the case of this is a neutral species, right? The electron number is 11. This is a ion case. Ion means there's a charge. Some charge will be there. Okay, this is the electron number here. Only electron number is changed, right? The proton is constant. Here also proton is constant. The neutron is constant. Neutron number is constant. The neutron is changing. Only the electron value number are changing between the element of same neutral species and the charged species. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Hmm?
No, sir. Sir, only proton has net charge, mass, and atomic number.
Proton has
So proton only has a net charge, mass, and atomic number.
proton will have a net charge will be there, mass will be there, and atomic number will be there. Charge of proton is positive, right? Plus 1.60 into 10 power minus 19.
Yes, sir.
Mass will also will be there, 1.6732 into 10 power minus 27 kgs. Okay, so if you draw the structure of this atom, how you will draw this one? For the sodium,
Sir, the nucleus in the middle.
First, we'll draw the nucleus.
And after
First
that,
orbit we'll draw
with
two
two atoms,
the next electron we have to
next
draw.
8,
How many?
8.
8. Finished.
And again on the next shell, which is the valence shell, we'll draw only 1. And
Very
it
good.
will lose that. So that's why it is the charge is +1.
Very good. Understand this one structure of the sodium atom here.
Yes, sir.
Remaining people, apart from Raghav, remaining people, did you understand?
Understood,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Shreyasi, Sahasra.
Yes, I understand.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I'm not unmuting because I'm sick, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understood.
So, what about in the case of sodium +1? This atom, structure of atom. First, we'll draw the nucleus.
Yes, sir. In the valence shell, as there is only one electron, it will lose that, and it's
Okay, sir. Okay.
This one only, right? If it loses the electron from the outermost shell, it will get the octet configuration. Okay, we'll discuss about the octet configuration afterwards, but clear now, right? How to draw the structure of the atoms.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will give you some homework problems. Just do it now and tell me the answers. Next one is the aluminium 1327. And I have given some homework for you, right, already? Find out write the tabular column of 1 to 30 elements, their mass number, atomic number, and all. Have you finished that homework? Long back I have given that one. This one. Symbol, elements, symbol, mass numbers. Did you finish that homework?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Sir,
sir.
element symbol, mass number. Yes, sir.
Then how many of you remembered that one? The mass number of 1 to 30 elements. How many of you remember the mass number of 1 to 30 elements?
Sir, I don't remember it, sir, but I wrote it, sir.
But remembering the
Sir,
mass
I
number
know an
also
easy
important.
way. Sir, I know an easy way to remember the mass number of 1 to 20 elements.
Okay, based upon the even atomic number, based upon all atomic numbers.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, good, Drago. What about the remaining people? What about other people?
Sir, based on the atomic number, sir, then I can also do it, sir.
Okay, no problem. You can remember on based upon the atomic number or directly. So what is that shortcut trick based upon the atomic number?
We can say, but there will be some like that. What do we say that?
Hmm?
Decimals, yeah.
Decimal part is
There's
not
a
that much
decimal, sir.
important in the case
Yes,
of
sir.
atomic mass
That's what
numbers.
I'm just telling, sir.
Suppose you have the mass number.
Yeah, yes, sir. Sir, in the even case, we just multiply it with 2, and in the odd case, we multiply it with 2 and add 1.
In the case of even atomic number,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
what is even atomic? Sorry, 1 minute, please. In the case of even atomic number, mass number is equal to 2 times of atomic number. Mass number is equal to 2 times of atomic number. But in the case of
Then
odd,
it's an odd number. It will be like +1, right, sir?
yeah, odd atomic number, mass number is equal to 2 times of atomic number plus 1. Most of the cases, almost 90 to 95% of cases, it is valid. In some cases, it is not valid. 90 to 95% cases, it is valid. Only in some cases, this property will not valid at all.
Yes, sir. Like first one is hydrogen.
Hydrogen, nitrogen also will not valid.
It will be, yeah, yes, sir. It will be 1 for hydrogen.
Okay, suppose if you take a aluminium.
Argon also.
Okay, aluminium. What is this? 13. Odd number.
Yes,
Odd
sir.
number
13
means
is
You have to multiply with 2 and add 1.
add 1. Yes, sir.
It's 27.
13 to
13 to
the
the
26.
26
So
plus 1,
plus 1
27.
is 27.
Okay. Now in this case, find out the protons, electrons, and the neutrons.
Yes.
Do it fast. Phosphorus also 1531. Protons, electrons, and neutrons. Next, chlorine.
Sir, all of them are 13, right, sir?
The
Okay,
protons
I
from
can
Sorry, I can hear some background noise. I have given total 4 stems. Find out the protons, electron, neutrons, and draw the structure of the atom also for these 4.
so protons are
Sir, in aluminium, sir,
13.
the protons are
You can just,
13,
no,
electrons are
1 minute,
13,
1
and
minute,
neutrons are
1 minute,
13.
please. Just send me the direct message to me, everyone. Send me your answers in the direct message to me. I want the answers from everyone, all the 8 students. Still, if you are facing the issues now, ask me, I will explain you once again, okay?
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir, in making like that, whatever you told, sir, like making that ball, sir.
Which one?
Sir, I'm texting you in the order of proton, electron, and neutron only.
Okay, okay, good. Okay, aluminium, good.
So once can you again
Correct.
tell, sir, how to like make that that ball thing, sir, that protons, neutrons,
Okay,
electrons,
okay. It's not
whatever.
ball. It is the structure of atom.
It is nucleus, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, I was just at.
We'll call it as the structure of the atom. Okay, next aluminium, Shreyasi, correct. Sorry, Shreyas, you can check your neutron number once again. Okay, Nimala. Good, Raghu. Harini, second you are telling the answer, okay? Wait.
Yes.
But check it once again. Some mistake is there in the second electron part.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Raghav, correct. Second one also. Okay, Nimala next. Raghav, correct.
Sir, I guess I did that mistake, sir. Again, I send you the answer
Yeah.
of neutrons, sir.
Pallav, again small mistake is there in the third one.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Raghav, correct. So check your mistakes once again.
I send the
Cross
second
check.
answer again.
Okay, just cross check your answers once again. If you feel any mistakes are there, just correct it, or else I'll explain it on the board.
Done, sir.
So if you take aluminium, atomic number is equal to proton only, right? So atomic number is equal to proton. And electron also neutral species, that is also equal to 13. Here 27 minus 13, that is equal to 14. Clear this one? The number of protons is equal to atomic number. So atomic number means whichever is written in the below part, that is a subscript part, that is the atomic number. So number of protons is equal to atomic number, that means 15. And number of electrons is equal to atomic number minus charge on the element. Here the charge is 0. There is no charge right here. Means charge is 0, that means 0 equal to 15. Next, number of neutrons. Number of neutron means what? Mass number minus atomic number. That means 31 minus 15, that is equal to 16 answer. So these are the proton, electron, and the neutron. Okay.
So for the fourth one, protons is 17, electrons is 17, and neutrons is 18.
Yeah. Ritik understand? Sorry. Nimala understand?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me for this aluminium Al plus 3. For this aluminium.
Sir, it is 13.
1 minute please. Instead of writing like this, we'll draw in the different format. Proton, electron, neutron. Yeah.
Sir, proton, I think it's 13.
Proton is 13.
Sir, electron, so 13 again.
What about the electron?
Only, sir.
Sir, 13.
13. But it is a charged species, right? Plus 3 charge is given. So 13 minus 3. You have to understanding. It is not a
That is,
neutral species. It is an
10.
ion. Ion means you have to take the charge also, right? So 13 minus of plus 3 means 13 minus 3 overall 10.
Sir.
Understand now?
Okay. Yes.
The next neutron.
Sir, that is 27.
27 minus 13, sir, which is 14.
14, sir.
14.
Sir, why can't we even do the same thing for this also, sir?
Can you repeat again?
23 marks.
So like 27 minus 13 minus 3, sir.
Sorry.
So like in electrons, we get 13 minus 3, right, sir?
Yeah.
So like why was that?
Why we wrote that like that?
Yes, sir, because it's plus.
Okay. What is the electron number of electron? Atomic number minus charge on element, right?
Yes,
Atomic
sir.
number minus charge on element. Here, what is atomic number?
Sir, 13
13 minus. What is the charge on element?
plus 3, sir.
Plus 3. Okay. If you do 13 minus of plus 3 means that is overall minus only, right? Minus into plus means minus only, right? 13 minus 3 equal to 10.
10.
Okay, clear? Suppose if you have
Yes,
here
sir.
instead of plus 3, you have minus 3. Instead of plus 3, you have minus 3. What is that electron
So
equal
then we
to?
have to add that.
13 minus of minus 3. That means minus into minus plus, right? So 13 plus 3
That's
equal to 16. Understand?
okay. Yes.
Any doubts?
Yes, sir. Actually, for the first 1 to 20 elements, we have to take the last shell as 8, right? The third shell. But if it is 18, sir, which is greater than 21, how do we find the valency of it? I mean, from which point should we gain atoms and which point should it lose atoms? In that?
Can you repeat again, Raghav?
Sir, how do we find the valency of 21 or greater than 21 elements, sir?
Balance we'll study next, okay? At that time I'll explain you that one.
Sir, because the third shell will hold 18, sir. So should we like seed for 8, which is like it will lose for 1 to 4 and it will gain for 5 to 8?
Yeah. So what are the elements near to the argon? They will lose the electrons.
Okay,
Generally,
okay,
metals
sir.
are the electropositive nature, right? Suppose if you take scandium, it is near to argon, right? Atomic number is 21 scandium. So
Yes,
scandium
sir.
will lose the 3 electrons to fulfill the octet configuration of argon.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, we'll discuss around valency also. Next one, the immediate topic is around the next. Okay. Now we will draw the structure for the atom. Okay. First aluminum will draw. First we'll draw the nucleus part. Then how many electrons? And when you're drawing the structure, we'll count only the electrons only, because all the protons and the neutrons are inside the nucleus. So if we take electrons, 1, 2. Next, K shell will take maximum 2 electrons only, right? Shreyasi? Shreyasi? So aluminum is there. The K shell will take maximum 2 electrons. Next, L shell will take maximum 8 electrons. So first we are given only 2 electrons out of 13. So remaining 11 is left. So out of 11, again we are giving 8 electrons. Shreyasi, understand this one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Total you have 13 electrons are there. So first we'll give 2 electrons to the K shell, because K will take maximum only 2 electrons. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next we will give L shell. L will take maximum 8 electrons. But still after giving 8 plus 2, 10 electrons, still we have the 3 more electrons left. So we'll give 3 more electrons to the M shell. Understand?
Yes.
Clear? Any doubts?
it's clear, sir. But now we don't have to draw that 3 electrons over there.
Okay, in the next case, it will not happen like that. Only first nucleus will be there. Total, how many electrons are there? 10. So first we'll give 2 electrons to the K shell. Next we'll give 8 electrons.
And we have to stop over there.
That's all finish. Okay, now you draw these two and show me by turning on your back camera. Okay, these two for the phosphorus and the chlorine. Do it fast. Write down in your classwork notes. Everyone, draw the picture of these two, phosphorus as well as chlorine, and show it to me.
Excuse me, sir. Can I show?
Yeah.
Sir, can you see it?
Yeah, it's correct, Rago. Good. Enough.
Thank you.
Just a minute, sir, it will be done, sir.
Okay.